All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about a much better priced alternative to the Rode Wireless Go, and that's coming up next. All right, guys, as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel greatly. Also, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell notification. That way you get alerts anytime I put out a new video. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about the Pixel Vocal Air, which I'm actually using to film this video right now. This is a much lower priced alternative to something like the Rode Wireless Go, which I have been using in my videos in the past. Now, any of you who have been watching this channel for any amount of time know that I love doing product reviews on items that are, very similar to its higher priced counterpart, but can save you some money while giving you similar level performance at a budget price. And this microphone set from Pixel is no exception to that. Now, the regular price for this set comes in at about $140. When I purchased mine, there was a $20 off coupon on Amazon for Amazon Prime members, and it was able to bring it down to $120. Now, that's compared to the $200 the Rode Wireless Go goes for. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description below from where I got it. That way you guys can find it easily. Now, as you can see, the unit clips right onto either your shirt, a lanyard, anything just like the Rode Wireless Go. It is slightly a little bit bigger than what the Rode Wireless Go is, but it's not obnoxiously larger. Now, this microphone system has a lot of cool features that some of its counterparts don't. One of the first things being it's a 36-channel multi-channel setup. So if you're having some type of interference, things like that, you can swap through the frequencies. That way you can get a little bit stronger signal. Now, I'm on the default frequency. I didn't really have any issues because I don't have anything else around me. Where this is going to be helpful is if you're using a multi-microphone setup or you have other wireless stuff around you on a shoot. Just being able to cycle through those frequencies to find something a little bit better could absolutely come in helpful. Now, the kit itself comes with a 600 milliamp battery that's good for up to 6 hours, and it's only got a 1.5 hour charge time. This device charges with a standard USB Type-C cable. Just like the Rode Wireless Go, it does have an OLED screen on the receiver and the transmitter. That way you can see all the information as well as your audio levels. Now, the unit comes with quite a few things. You get a cable for your cell phones, you get a cable for your camera, but you also get a cable that has a lightning adapter on one side and then the 3.5 millimeter plug to plug in. That way, if you're using an Apple device like I'm going to use for testing later in the video, you don't have to use the little lightning to 3.5 adapter. You can just use the native cable that it comes with. I wish more items would do this because there are a lot of vloggers out there using iPhones, and being able to plug directly into the lightning with one cable and not have to use a dongle makes all the difference in the world. You're going to get a nice case to put these in. You're going to get a cold shoe plate as well as a phone mount if you don't already have one. That way you can put the phone on a tripod and mount your receiver with no issues at all. Now, I've done a full audio test for you guys, and I'm going to go through a few of the different sound levels on this microphone and then compare it to the Rode Wireless Go. That way you guys can hear the sound differences and similarities. I'm also going to do this through an iPhone with both the Rode Wireless Go and the Pixel microphone. That way you guys can hear how it sounds through the iPhone as well. Before we do that though, we're going to go through a quick unboxing that I have sped up for you. That way you can see everything that comes in the box. right, I have the volume set to 12 decibels on the transmitter right now, 12 decibels. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Transmitter at the maximum of 15 decibels. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, 12 decibels through the lavalier microphone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Now, I'm only going to test the Rode Wireless Go at its minimum decibel levels. If I go up any higher based on my camera settings, the audio from this mic is going to be completely garbled and unusable. And I want to do my best to keep the exact same internal camera settings for these two mic tests. All right, this is the Rode Wireless Go set all the way down at the lowest decibels. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, this is the Rode Wireless Go using the lavalier microphone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, this is the Rode Wireless Go using the iPhone Lightning cable with the lavalier microphone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, this is the Rode Wireless Go without the lavalier microphone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, this is the Pixel at 12 decibels using the iPhone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. And this is at plus 15 decibels using the iPhone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, this is at plus 15 decibels using the lavalier mic with the iPhone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. And this is at plus 12 decibels using the lavalier microphone and the iPhone. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world, and you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. All right, that was all of my audio testing. I've been using this microphone for about a week and a half now, and once I'm in editing, I can honestly say that the sound between the Rode Wireless Go and this are very, very similar without the lav mic. Other than the Rode Wireless Go being a lot hotter of a microphone, the volume coming through it is much higher. I have to pull it up a little bit more in post on the Pixel. I feel like I get a good sound quality out of both. I've done a review on another set of these in the past from another brand, which the sound quality wasn't nearly as close as what it is through here. Now, with the lavalier microphone, I actually didn't like the sound quality as much through the Pixel. It sounded more muffled than I expected. Typically with these types of microphones, when you put a lav in them, the lav is going to give you better quality. That does speak for the quality of the built-in microphone. That to me, it sounded better than the lavalier microphone. Now, I used the same lav for both the Rode and the Pixel, and I did get a similar quality sound from the Rode using the lavalier microphone. So it may have been the lav mic itself. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a better quality lavalier microphone to really test that theory. I just know listening back, I actually preferred the sound of both the Rode and the Pixel without the lavalier mic, opposed to when I had the lav mic plugged into both of them. Now, that's going to be a different preference for everyone. That was just my preference. You guys tell me what you think about it down in the comment section below. Now, my final thoughts on this setup is after being able to use it, I think this is a serious competitor to Rode when it comes to this platform. With a $60 to $80 price difference, depending on if you got the deal or not, to be this close in sound quality, I think it's absolutely worth looking into these units if you're trying to get a setup like this but don't really want to go out and spend the $200. Now, that's going to wrap up this video. As always, if you guys have any thoughts or questions, please post down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and hit a thumbs up for the video if you liked it. It helps the channel greatly. And until next time.